Welcome to TechPacks, your partner in advanced research and development. In this video, we will be presenting the details about one of the most demanding research projects titled Hybrid Classifier for Credit Card Fraud Detection, Gaussain Naive Bayes, and KNN integration. This research project can be extended further to publish a research paper in a reputed journal or used for your PhD or MTech thesis. So, if you are a researcher, PhD, or MTech research scholar working on a similar research project and need expert guidance to handle the complexities of research in this field, you're in the right place. Watch this video till the end to gain valuable insights into the project's objectives, methodology, and results. We'll also provide a demo of the code in action, showcasing its key features and functionalities. So, let's begin. Our professional researcher will now take the lead and guide you through the details. Here we go.
Hello friends, welcome to TechPacks Research and Innovation Services. Today I'm here to present you one of the applications that is very much popular these days on the basis of financial services. So this is credit card fraud detection. So before moving to the video, let's talk about that what exactly we will cover into this video. In this video, initially we will discuss about where this credit card fraud detection related applications can be useful. Along with that, whatever the code we have designed, how to execute it, what are the software requirements and the library requirements for it. Next to that, we will discuss that what is the current problem with the current systems and what we have proposed in our application, which is useful and giving the better results. Finally, we will analyze the results that what we have achieved in terms of which factors. So before that, let's move in the initial stage that what application areas it is helpful. The developed system is not restricted only for the credit card fraud detection. It is related to any of the fraud detection or any financial services handling. So this is specifically for the financial services handling. Along with that, the fraud detection in the banking and the enterprises or the financial institute. For the business risk management also it can be helpful, as you can see, for example, for providing the credit to the people to the specific area. So if we do have the detection systems, we can easily manage those things. So for the business risk management it is very useful. So specifically we have designed the credit card fraud detection because AI totally depends upon what kind of data you are giving to it to get trained. So as I'm talking about the data, so we will also discuss that which data we have used and from where we have got it. Before that, let's move to what exactly the code and how to execute it. So we will provide you the folder where you just need to go to the code, and there are two files. One is the database file and another one is the code file. So to run this code, you must have the Python installed in your system. So in order to get the Python, you just need to go to the official website of there. So the Python that I am using is basically the 3.10. so currently 3.12 is available in the market, so you can just directly go to the python.org and you can download the Python. Then secondly, you need the ID to run the Python. You can use the inbuilt Python's ID, that is IDLE, else Spider, Visual Studio, PyCharm and many other can be there. So the one we are using is Visual Studio, which is lighter in weight and effective for certain programming languages. What you need to do, you just need to open this code by clicking open Visual Studio Code. So it will get opened here. So here while exploring it, so as it is already in the open mode, so you can see this is the overall code that we have designed, and you just need to click on the play button. So when you will click on the run button, it will start executing. So now let's talk about that what people are doing and what exactly the new thing we have implemented into it. So currently the people are doing like they are taking the data set of credit card fraud detection. So the data set can be taken easily from the internet. So you just need to write credit card fraud detection. So there are certain websites, those are providing the data set. So the data set that we are using is taken from the Kaggle. You can also go to the openml.org, and even on the data word and Google or sklearn, there are certain platforms. So the one we are taking is credit card fraud detection is taken from the Kaggle website. You must have the registered account with them, and you can download it easily in the terms of the Excel. So the dataset that we do have with us is in the CSV format. So here you can see the CSV format where the dataset is there. So all it have the information related to the credit card transactions and other history. So all important factors are given into the data set so that we can train the system as per the patterns. It can easily be identified. So the data set, let's have a look, because it is a big CSV file, so it is taking some time to get opened. So CSV file is opening. So here you can see. So credit card details are there in this CSV file. CSV file are basically the lighter version of the data set, but because it totally depends upon how much information they do have, so it totally depends upon that how much time it will take to process and other that stuff. So you can see it is just opening. So we do have the information related in the terms of the time. These are the features. You can get all the details of these features from the website from where you are downloading. And finally it is giving us the class 0 and 1, where 0 is the non-fraud and 1 is for the fraud one. So all these stats are there. As you can see, there is zeros and ones and multiple items over there. So it totally depends upon the data set we do have. It is mostly having the non fraud items and the fraud items. So the data related to the fraud is also there in the data set. So I'm just closing it. Now going back to the code, here you can see initial stage what we have done. Currently the people are doing the process, like they're directly reading the data set, selecting or converting the features and passing it to the classifier to get classified. But what we have done, in the proposed methodology, what we have done, we have read the database file, pre-processed it, dropping the information that is not required, like time, amount, as it is not required. So and the class is required for the labels, so we place the data in the label section, and other than that amount and time is not required, so that's why we are removing it by using the drop function. Rest of the information will be there in the X. Then we are using the KNN not for the classification but for the feature extraction. So what we are going, we are providing the data, the processed data to it, and it get trained, and after it get trained we get the information from the KNN that how it get trained and what features are coming out of it, so that it can easily get the patterns of learning of the KNN. Then these patterns are further fetched. After fetching, it is forwarded to the NB classifier. Here we are not using the normal NB classifier, we are using the Gaussian NB classifier, which is under the sklearn NB library. So you must have these libraries along with you, that is one of them is NumPy, then pandas. This is sklearn, which is handling with all the machine learning and deep learning methods. So you just need to run those. So after extracting the features, we are passing these features while splitting it in the 70-30 ratio of training and testing. Then Gaussian Naive classifier is used in order to get trained with that features that are extracted from the KNN. So once the model get trained, we are predicting the test data, and finally on the basis of that we are calculating the confusion matrix to get the true positive, true negative, false positive, false negative, and finally accuracy score, confusion matrix, precision, recall, F score, and specificity. These factors have been calculated and are shown in order to determine that how the performance of the proposed system has been done. As you can see, currently I have run the code, and you can see it is initially reading the file, so it showed us the message. Then after reading, when it is reading, we just make the copy, so you can see the data reading is done. Then non-useful information and columns are removed, so the message is shown that this is done. When KNN feature started, you can see here the KNN feature starting message is print by us. After that, the extracted features are collaborating into one of the list. There you can see it is taking some time and it is under process, so it will take some time to get all the features collaboratively in the data set. So in the while it is extracting the feature, we just need to wait. So here you can see extraction is done, data splitting initiated, and training and others section is also started. You can see the parameters that we have achieved for this are accuracy, that is around 99.43%, confusion matrix, that how many true positive, negative, false positive, false negative have been generated. On that we have precision, recall, F1 score, and specificity has been achieved. So all these steps has been processed by implementing the proposed scheme for credit card fraud detection. So further modifications are still possible. So in order to get those details, you can connect us directly. Thank you. Thanks for watching the video.
Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found it informative and engaging. For more information about this research project and to get our consultancy services, click the link in the description below. At TechPacks, we offer comprehensive support for researchers, PhD, and MTech students in the fields of engineering and ICT. Our services include selection of research topic, helping you choose the right topic tailored to your interests and the latest trends. Synopsis preparation, crafting a clear and concise synopsis with well-defined objectives. Coding assistance, providing expert help with writing and optimizing code in various tools and platforms. Research paper writing, assisting in drafting and editing research papers to meet the highest academic standards. Dissertation writing, offering complete support for your dissertation, ensuring consistency and quality. Plagiarism check and removal, ensuring your work is original and free from plagiarism with advanced detection tools. We also offer customization services to meet your specific project needs. Whether you require a modification of an existing project or a completely new application, our team of experts is here to help. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more updates on cutting-edge research projects and expert advice. Thank you for choosing TechPacks. We look forward to collaborating with you on your research journey.